Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa and we're going to be drawing Kirby. The first step for Kirby, he has a lot of curves, so just make a big curve for his arm. Now, kind of from the top, make a big round ball as best you can for the circle. And try to close it up at his arm. Now let's make another bump for his other arm. He's kind of flying through the air. Make a big oval curve for a leg. Another one right here, but just a bit smaller than the other. Now let's work on his face. We're gonna draw a big oval, very thin for an eye. And then for the other eye, I'm going to start about here, make a big round oval again. There we go. There's that circle. Now let's draw another little circle in the other eye. Right underneath, let's put a curve. And then another curve following that, kind of like a moon on its side. We're going to do that same U shape. And then curve up. There we go. Let's work on the mouth. Draw almost a sad face. And then draw a little bump. And another little bump on the side. Looks great. For the cheeks, draw an oval on its side. Same thing on the other side, draw another oval. It looks great. The next step will be to color it in. If you want to, like I did, I colored it in and then I put an outline of dark black on everything. Just kind of makes it pop out some more. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Happy drawing! Bye!